Hi guys! Kararating lang namin ng bahay and it is now 3:23 p.m. Galing na kami sa trabaho.
Too much noise here. Sorry guys. Hello, how are you?
Okay.
We just reached home.
And we're gonna be making carbonara today.
I don't know what we are making, but it's
With-
fine.
But we're gonna be adding pesto as well. So,
Yeah, it's not actually typical carbonara. We are just
Yeah.
trying to make something healthy.
ayun. Tapos, yung mga ingredients niya, nahiwa-hiwa na kaninang umaga ni Sumit. So, andyan na siya lahat. Halo-halo na.
Wrap.
Halo-halo na, wala nang gisa-gisa. Sabay-sabay na lang sila lulutuin.
Prep is very important.
Yeah.
You know, when the prep is good, execution will be good. So butter, everything else is already here. Good. Butter goes in.
Yeah, luto ng mga tamad. Like the pasta for the lazy people. Just mix them all together.
Very fast.
Yeah.
It's gonna turn out very good. You know?
I know. I
I'm 100%
mean,
sure. It's gonna be super
whatever
good.
you cook is always good.
Ooh, that's a good feedback.
Hindi okay yung pakiramdam ko, guys. I feel sick.
Yeah.
Ano na to? I think this is like the third day.
Yeah.
I don't feel so good. Masakit kasi ng ano ko, choga. Saan ang dibdib ko. Tapos,
Because of the pregnancy.
I think so. I just feel tired and then parang lalagnatin eh. Walang energy. Pero kaya itulog naman ako. Maybe because of the... I don't think so. I don't think it's the weather.
Could be the weather, because I was feeling a little down also yesterday.
Okay, magligpit na nga lang tayo dito. Wala naman akong gagawin. Nagawa niya na lahat. Halu-haluin niya lang yan. Tapos, you just add the sauce and that's it.
Done.
Done.
Look at this. All the onion, the mushroom we bought yesterday, bacon we had, and garlic, everything.
We're gonna add corn, guys, kasi sa India, yung vegetarian pasta nila, merong corn. So, na-miss ko yung pasta na may corn. Sabi ko sa kanya, I want corn in my pasta.
Actually, it is good.
Yeah, it is good.
Do you think we should add this pesto?
Yeah, it's nice. I like pesto. Yung pesto kasi, guys, usually, nilalagay namin dito yung tuna.
Oh yeah, super good.
So good.
I think we need a bigger kitchen.
Yeah. Soon. Hirap gumalaw. And imagine me with big belly.
Yeah.
It's gonna be harder. You got good sleep?
I mean, I woke up to pee.
Yeah.
I was able to sleep. Not bad.
Yes, guys. Favorite pasta ko is yung penny pasta. But
But
this
it's
is
gluten-free.
gluten-free because of Sumit.
Fake pasta.
But actually not bad. It tastes
Yeah?
almost the same. But it's like al dente version of the regular one. May pagka ano siya, may crunch. It has some crunch, right?
Yeah, salt goes in. See, that's the problem with this stove. Now, no more.
It's cooling down.
Cooling down already. Too much heat.
Hindi pala
Cannot take the kitchen heat.
Hindi pala ito nag-cool down na siya. Doing my share, guys, putting away the dishes.
But it's gonna be the same, right? You can cook. You know how to do it. It's all done. We'll just add the flour, gluten-free flour, and then add milk, Parmesan cheese, and done. It's easy. But I don't know what happened with the heat. I don't know why it's not cooking.
Today kasi is washing day too. It's Wednesday. Need to wash clothes.
Go for it.
Tanggal lang ang bedsheet, guys.
So that everything is just all mixed together.
Nice.
Just want to make it
Brown.
little brown.
Tapos ito yung pasta. Palit tayo ng bedsheet, guys. Kasi twice ako naglalaba kada isang linggo kasi nga hindi ko alam bakit ang dami namin damit lagi. Para hindi kami matambakan ng damit.
I think I want the other blanket.
Oh, the stripe?
I don't like this anymore.
Okay. Ayaw na daw niya ng blanket namin.
Choosy.
No, I don't want this.
You remember the carving board, the chopping board we bought?
Yeah?
We had to return it.
Why?
I went to Purulekar just now. Return it.
What happened to it?
Because it's too big. Because we have the heating lamp, right?
Yeah.
So it's for the carving beef and turkey and all those things. And the heat lamp we have, it has legs, right? And the carving board or chopping board doesn't fit there. So it's supposed to be 18 by 12,
Who bought that?
but the one we bought was 24 by 18, so too big. So now we ordered the new one, 18 by 12.
God, it smells good, guys.
Yeah.
Hindi pa.
I'm telling you, it's gonna taste super good. I know it's just gonna be like messy pasta, but it's gonna taste super good. I can assure you.
Kakainin mo lang din naman yung pasta, so okay na yung halo-halo lang siya dyan. Kami lang naman ang kakain. Tsaka kasi pagod na sa trabaho. Especially ako nga, guys, hindi maganda pakiramdam ko. I'm hungry now. It smells so good. Kunin natin yung isang blanket kasi ayaw daw ni Sumit yung blanket namin ngayon. Ito yung gusto niyang blanket ngayon. Yan, kunin ko yan. Ako naman, ayoko tong blanket na to kasi nag-aagawan kami. Medyo maliit siya. I mean, sa side. Tapos ito yung gamit namin ngayon lagi. Ay, lagi niya sinasampay dyan kapag umaga yung mga blanket kasi nga sa napapanood ng mga reels. Sabi nila kailangan daw pinapahanginan ng mga kumot. Kaya yan, ang daming sabit-sabit pag umaga pag siya ang nagliligpit ng higaan. Kasi nga, sa mga napapanood ng video, guys, tapos na akong magpalit ng bedsheet. Hihiwalayin ko na mamaya yung mga damit. Pero, ito na yung updates sa pasta. Naluto na rin si Meat yung noodles. Ayan. Tapos yung sauce. Medyo natutuyo na yung karne. At saka yung
Browning it little.
yeah, mushroom.
Once it's little brown, then we add gluten-free flour. Cook it for around 2-3 minutes, and then we add milk. It's gonna become thick,
Yeah.
like creamy.
Kunin ko na muna yung labahin habang busy siya dyan. Sakit ng likod ko, guys. Parang may naipit na ugat. Yung ano ko, lower back ko sa may puwetan. Yan na guys, napaghiwalay ko na yung mga
Done.
itim, medyo light, at saka puti. Tapos update sa niluluto ni Sumit. Nilagay na niya yung
last thing will
harina.
be Parmesan cheese and 1 egg. Done.
Done.
It's gonna become thick, very thick. I think I need more. Good.
Tingnan siya guys. Carbonara na may pesto.
I don't know what is that, but it's gonna taste good for sure. 100%.
Try lang namin. Well, I mean, this is our first time trying pesto with
Cream, something
Cream.
like that. Yeah.
hindi siya cream, milk siya pero it's the
It's gonna
same.
become thick
Oh.
because I added the gluten-free flour.
Mhm.
That's gonna make it thick, and Parmesan cheese will make it thick.
Yes. Guys, tama. Mas cheaper version.
But it's gonna taste expensive, you know.
Oh yeah, I know.
I can tell you.
So, magsalang na tayo ng mga puti. I'm gonna put the white ones now. Tanggalin natin yung link ng aming dryer. Ganyan yung karami na iipon niya sa isang araw ng aking laundry day. Ito yung galing pang Sunday. So, yan. Ganyan siya karami na. So, I think you don't need egg anymore.
No?
No, it's perfect now.
If you want, we can. No need.
No, it's gonna be thicker.
It's done.
Yay! Excited to eat. Doing my share, guys. I'm mixing it.
Okay. Last step. Done.
Okay. Yan na siya, guys. Tapos na.
Easy.
Yeah, walang kahirap-hirap.
So thick.
Ready to eat na. You want me to make the glutinous rice dessert?
Rice.
Dessert?
What kind of?
Dessert? Glutinous rice dessert?
No, that's fine. You're sick, right?
It's easy. I just have to mix. Wala kasi siyang kinakain sa breakfast. You don't have anything for breakfast. That's
Eggs.
why. Yeah, but like, you've been eating eggs. Almost every day.
Eggs.
Because yesterday, guys, we were in the supermarket. Sabi niya, biscuit
No
would
option.
be... gluten-free biscuit would be nice. Sabi niya ganyan.
No option for me.
Yeah, and in this supermarket kasi wala masyadong gluten-free option. You still have to go to Walmart. Sa Walmart, maraming gluten-free options.
It's fine.
Inaawa naman ako sa kanya, wala siyang makain. Okay, done
See?
na.
Look at that. Look at that.
He's preparing
Very fast. This one is very
dal
fast.
too.
Just boil everything.
Yeah. Okay, I put it in the plate na.
Mm.
And the head chef. Head chef does the plating, right?
Yeah.
Oh, head chef pala ako eh.
Or, I mean, whoever is in charge, they're going to do the plating. Because that's presentation, right?
Yeah.
Very important.
My job is very important. Plating.
I can just eat. And it's going to be nice with Tabasco.
Bango.
Try. Try now, so you can. But it's very hot. Be careful.
Spoon na lang din ako kasi parang medyo saucy siya.
Hmm?
Perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah, we don't need salt.
I told you. Because we added the bacon, right? And then the pesto sauce.
Yeah.
They all have too much salt.
Sarap, guys!
It's gonna taste even better with the best. Very, very good. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just racist to myself.
Good morning, pineapple. What's that song? Creamy pesto.
Oh.
It's really good, right?
Oh.
Sarap.
That's good.
It's really good.
Try with this. Tabasco, even better. Super good.
Yeah.
The corn is giving little sweetness. Then we have the heat from this Tabasco. And the rest is all creamy basil flavor. See? Easy to cook these things.
Yeah. Sarap.
Yeah. As long as we have the right heat there. Oh, these things are very easy to cook.
Tapos guys, itong Fanta, ano pa to eh? Yung naalala niyo, bumili kami ng chicken wings. Hindi pa nainom hanggang ngayon. Sabi niya, inumin ko daw. Hindi siya iinom. Bawal siya niyan.
Oh my. Good. We have a lot. Eat.
It's gonna be nice with fried egg.
But we had 5 eggs in the morning.
Yeah,
So
that's why.
too much.
5 eggs hati kami doon na. Later, do you think 5 each?
No. Together. Scrambled eggs. Oh my god.
So good. Masarap yung corn sa pasta, guys. I think the first time I tried corn in pasta is in India. I haven't tried it anywhere else, I think.
But guys, if you're gonna add more corn and these things, then you need little heat. Tabasco, chili powder or something. Or little more black pepper. Just to give little heat. Turned out to be good. I was expecting it to be
Yeah,
good.
he cooks really well. As he should. He's a chef.
I get paid for it.
Guys, nakalimutan ko kayong dalhin. Kagagaling lang namin sa labas. Naglakad kami after namin kumain. And tapon lang ng basura si Sumit.
Basura man. The basura guy.
Yeah, tapos na din yung first batch ng aking labahin. So, next batch na tayo. Hindi na kami naglakad ng malayo. Diyan lang kami sa neighborhood namin kasi hindi nga ganun kaganda yung pakiramdam ko. So, para lang bumaba yung kinain namin. Gabi. Isang lang, ikot lang mga around. We walk around 5 blocks.
Yeah. 30 minutes.
Mga ganyan.
Not bad. We were talking about work. Sharing the struggles.
Puro work ang usapan.
Cleaning our head.
Habang naglalakad. Trabaho na naman ang usapan.
Clearing our head. So we can sleep better. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Na-stress sa trabaho.
Not really. These things are very normal. Very normal.
You're just gonna add one thing here?
No, that's fine.
I mean, I can wait, it's fine.
No, it's fine. It's just one t-shirt, so. Basura man.
Dito lang siya nagsasalansan. Hinihiwala yung mga garapon sa babasagin.
Basura, basura. Basura, man.
More basura, guys.
Basura. No, it's not. It's just not much. Oh yeah, can you pass me those also? Yeah.
Pakita ko yung niluto niya dito, guys. Ito yung dal. Ayan. Mabilis niya lang yung niluto, guys. Ganun din yung style. Halo-halo lang din. Yung garlic, sibuyas, tapos yung dal, tapos may cilantro, tapos yung mga spices. Yun na yun. So, maliligo na yan. Sabi ko mauna na siya maligo. Gagawa ko ng royal bibingka para may makain siya sa umaga. Pag nag-aalmusal kasi kawawa naman siya. Wala siyang makain. And yung itlog. Mumukha na kaming itlog. Kakaitlog namin. Ito na yung glutinous rice flour. Actually, medyo nabitin yung glutinous rice flour. So, dapat 2 cups siya. Eh, ang meron lang ako is 1.5. So, nilagay na ni Sumit dyan yung natirang gluten-free flour niya. So, kailangan daw namin bumili ng bago. And hindi ko pa naaayos yung aming drawer, guys. Ilang linggo na to. Plano ko sana nung nag-leave ako. Kasi nga lang, sobrang busy na namin ganap. Yung may time na test kami sa umaga. Tapos, nag-edit ako. Tapos, hapon lalabas kasi maglalakad. Tapos, injection na. Hindi ko na naharap. So, ayan, kailangan natin coconut. Merong evaporated. Oh, ubos na rin pala to. Tapos, yung condensed. Isa na lang. Buti na lang mayroon pa. Kailangan natin palang bumili na itong mga ito. Ayan. Gawin ko lang ito. How to make this? You shower first.
What is that?
The sticky rice
With coconut?
dessert. Yeah.
Do we have dried coconut still? No
I
more?
don't think so.
See, all is done.
Yeah, I already
It's
showed.
just boiled. Very healthy. Very, very healthy thing. It has a lot of protein. And because of the ginger and cilantro, it's good for the tummy. And this dal has a lot of fiber.
Yeah.
So good for you.
Ito na siya, guys. Nahalo ko na lahat dito. Haluin ko na lang siya ng mabuti. Tapos gusto kong gumawa ng parang yema topping. So gagawa rin ako nun. Ang bango niya, amoy coconut milk. Okay, transfer na natin yung filling. Yung batter. Guys, lalagay ko lang siya sa oven. So guys, nasa loob na ng oven yung ating royal bibingka. Tapos gumawa ako ng pangyama topping. Yan. So ilalagay ko to sa ibabaw after 30 minutes kapag firm na yung ating royal bibingka. Yan guys, tapos na. So maghuhugas na tayo. Tapos maglilinis ako dun sa labas. Kasi ang buhangin na, kasi yung sapatos namin, di ba madalas nga kasi kami nasa beach. Kada hapon. Ayan, ang alikabok, ang gaspang ng sahig kasi sa mga, tawag dito, yung beach sand.
If I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being